Well, good evening. Just a quick little tip here as we're on Mardi Gras night. Hopefully you're not too Mardi Gras-ish going on right now, but I'm home and I am cleaning my brushes tonight. So I just wanted to show you real quick our LimeLight Come Clean coconut milk brush and sponge shampoo. Now, you heard me right, coconut milk. Inside here is vegan coconut purified water, natural coconut oil, palm oil, sea salt, tea tree essential oils. So this is what we're going to use to wash our brushes. Why not just use soap? Well, it can possibly dry out your bristles or can kind of make your makeup start to be gummy inside there and not really make it a very good clean. So I've got Nikki behind the camera so I can have both hands ready. She's going to let me know who might chime in, or if you have any questions, feel free to ask them, and Nikki's going to help me out. She's my camera woman tonight behind the camera. Say hi, Nikki.
Hi.
Hello. All right. So we're going to move on down to...
Hi, Cindy. Hi, Carol. Hi, Joy.
We've got some girls on. Thank you for joining me. So, definite hygiene, makeup hygiene tip, clean your brushes. Do it often. And girls with the little sponges, don't let it look like this all the time. Clean that sponge. So let me show you real quick how it's done. Okay, let's do the sponge first. So you can get your sponge wet and you just kind of rub it into my cleaning solution. And with this one, you really can just work it into the sponge. I don't know if you saw, I had some foundation and concealer on there.
Hi, June. Thanks for watching.
Hey, thanks for joining us. So my #1 hygiene makeup tip is clean your brushes, clean your sponge. Especially if it's a sponge you're going to continue to use. You've got those disposable ones, throw those away. But if it's one you use often, clean it. Get it clean. And again, while I'm scrubbing on this one, so for those that just got on, this is Come Clean Brush and Sponge Shampoo with vegan coconut purified water, natural coconut oil, palm oil, sea salt, tea tree essential oils. So they're going to be very good for your brushes. And for those that need it to be vegan, our brushes are even vegan, but it is a vegan cleaner as well. All right, so there's my brand new sponge ready to be used. I'm going to stick it over here and just let it kind of get soaked up on a paper towel. Now, when it comes to brushes, what you want to do is wet your brush and rub it around in the cleaner. And yes, you're going to probably get some makeup on the cleaner. That's fine. Take it in your hand and work out right here. This is my blush brush, so I'm working out the blush. Rinse it off and repeat until you don't have any more color coming off your brush. But again, very important hygiene. You want to keep your brushes clean. You don't want to use soap because it could dry out the bristles. It could make the makeup inside there get all gummy, and it just isn't a very good clean. So I love our Come Clean makeup brush and sponge cleaner. Now, then once you're done, you just kind of squeeze out any extra water. And set it over on the paper towel, lay flat, let it dry. Let's do a small one. So this is my concealer brush, or sometimes I use my concealer on my eyelids, so I use this brush a lot. So I'm just going to kind of get it wet, run it through, see how it's already coming off some of the cleanser, and clean, rinse, more cleanser, clean, rinse. One more time just to make sure it is clear. And there we go. Cleaned up. Rinse off. Squeeze out extra water. Set it down to dry off. So, LimeLight's Come Clean Coconut Milk Brush and Sponge Shampoo. Awesome stuff. Let me know if you want some. You need it. Hygiene #1 tip. Clean your brushes and your sponges. Have a fun Mardi Gras night. Don't go too wild. Until next time. Bye.